Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document with DocuSign. So first you want to go to their website, and then over here at the top right corner, you want to click on login. So it's required to have an account to be able to use the website. So if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one. And after you've logged in, just click on start. Then you want to go ahead and upload your PDF file. Then over at Add Recipients, just click on I'm the only signer. Then click on Sign over here at the bottom right. So if it's your first time using the website, it will prompt you to create a signature. So since I've already used this website before, I already have my signature. So I'm just going to click on signature over here at the left side bar, and it will automatically give my signature, and then I can just go ahead and drag it and place it to wherever I want to place the signature. And that's it. Thanks for watching.